Yo, what is up guys? Prodigy here. So in this video, I will show you how easy it is to gain an authorized access to a Windows computer using a reverse shell. This video is for educational purposes only. I strongly advise against using these techniques for malicious purposes. So before we dive in, pakiclick lang yung subscribe button for more cybersecurity and hacking tutorials. So ang pangalan ng tool is Hoaxshell. Hoaxshell is a Windows reverse shell payload generator and handler that abuses the HTTPS protocol to establish a beacon-like reverse shell. So Hoaxshell is kaya nang i-bypass ang antivirus software or yung Windows Defender. So this is the link of Hoaxshell on GitHub. So nandito yung tutorial niya kung paano i-install, yung mga kailangan. So ginawa ko na. So ang gagawin ko na lamang is i-demo kung paano siya gagawin. So ayan, nag-generate siya ng reverse shell payload. So copy natin yan. So as a hacker, be practical syempre. For me, I will embed this on photo or picture and do some social engineering, then papasa ko na lang sa aking target. So pag inopen niya is once niya kinilik niya, so ayan, execute siya sa PowerShell. Pero dahil demo ito, so ikakopy lang natin yung yung reverse shell payload sa ating target. So ayan, paste natin dyan yung reverse shell. So ipapakita ko na ang Windows Defender is naka-open siya, active. So ang Windows 10 target natin is updated din siya, latest version. So ito siya guys, naka-on yung real-time protection niya, even the firewall is naka-open din. So ayan, so hit enter to execute the reverse shell command. So ayan, so ito yung unang reverse shell natin is na-detect siya ng antivirus. So hindi siya nag-work. So you might say na akala ko ba na babypass niya ang antivirus. So may alternative solution tayo dyan. So ito yung script niya, original script na obfuscate siya. So yung tutorial kung paano gawin is nasa link din ng Hoaxshell kung paano gawin. So yung tutorial niya is ginawa nag-create din ng Hoaxshell, which is si Telemachus. So ayan, copy paste natin ulit. So sometimes hindi ito magwo-work. So ang kailangan lang natin gawin pag hindi siya nag-work kasi galag na yung computer, open lang tayo ng open lang natin ulit yung PowerShell. So ayan, open natin ulit. So magwo-work na to kasi obfuscate na siya. Once na clinic natin is may mangyayari sa ating Kali Linux machine. So yun, so sa ating Kali Linux is payload execution verified. So ayan, so successful yung attack natin. So try natin kontrolin yung yung Windows na target natin. So for example, open natin yung notepad, pero i-type muna natin ng who am I. So enter natin. So ayan, yung FTC Chris, yun yung ng machine. So ayan, open natin yung notepad. So pag click natin, boom. So ayan, so na-control natin yung yung target natin. So tayo ulit ng command. So ayan yung txt file. Hello. So wait lang. So natabunan yan. So ayan. So ulitin natin. So open natin ulit yung command. Ay open niya yung notepad na with text. So palitan, dagdagan natin. So sabihin natin, hello, I'm a hacker. So run lang natin ulit yan or click enter. Click na natin yan para ma-open yung notepad. So ayan guys, sorry, naglalag yung computer kasi. So ayun, na-control natin yung PC. So pwede rin natin tong i-shutdown. So type lang natin shutdown. So ganyan ba yung syntax? Hindi ako sure. So try lang natin to. So ayan, din nag-work. So baliktad. So type natin ulit. So ayan guys, so ayan, shutdown na natin yung target natin or yung victim machine natin. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So don't forget to subscribe for more hacking video tutorial. Happy hacking. Bye.